Stop paying for AI video tools because now everyone can use Google's most powerful AI video model VEO3 completely free. Yes, you heard it right. Everyone can generate unlimited AI videos without worrying about credits or payments. Well, that's it from intro. Let's see how to access it before they lock it down. Well, in this method, we are going to use VEO3 on a third-party website, but it has all the same features which we see on Google Flow, which means we are going to experience same level of creativity and control in our video. Website name is Gemini Gen. Simply go to Google and search Gemini Gen. We'll see it in the top with the domain name of geminigen.ai. Simply open it. This website has a kind of 3D look, and in the middle we have a prompt box where you can actually prompt our videos. But before doing this, simply click on sign up button on the top menu and create a free account here. After successful account creation, it will redirect us towards studio page. But if you see in the top menu, we have 10 credits. Well, don't worry about this because we are not going to use any credits. Yeah, you hear this side. Simply click on Video Gen, and now here you can see we have two options. First one is we can create videos. Second one is we can extend videos. And if you see below, we have multiple models here. We can actually use Google, Grok, Meta AI, ByteDance, or we can also use Kling models to generate our videos. But we are going to use VEO 3.1 right now because it's completely free. Simply click on VEO, and in the model selector, simply select VEO 3.1 Fast because it's completely free, and you can also see right here it says free. Simply select this, and if you want to go image to video or frame to video, you can select all this from here, and below you have to enter your prompt. After this, you have the option to select aspect ratio, and here you can select the resolution of your video. We are going with full HD, and we are also going with 16:9. Now let's enter our prompt. Well, I have entered a detailed prompt which will generate a 3D video. Simply review your settings and then click on generate video. Verify that you are a human being, and it will start video generation process, and you can see it right here in the right side. And if you scroll below, you can see the settings again, and in the use credit section you can see it's using 0 credits, which means it's completely free. And also right here you can see this generation will cost 0 credits, which means it's free. We are not going to use any credits, but make sure to stay till the end so you can see all the other settings. Let's create another video. I'm again going to put a simple prompt which will again generate a 3D video. Rest of the settings are just same. And here you can see we have 10 credits remaining, and this generation will cost 0 credits. So simply click on generate video. So you can see our video will take about 3 minutes to generate. As you can see, our video is ready, but as we have generated 2 videos, so now let's head over to history section to see all of our creations. And here you can see both of our videos are ready. Simply click on the thumbnail of video, and here you can see we have a preview option here, and we can also download the video directly from here. I'm going to download both of the videos, and I will attach this output in our video. Well, that's it for the video. I found this platform really amazing because it's providing us unlimited free access. Yeah, there are some limitations, but you can generate unlimited videos because I have definitely, so I can say this provides unlimited video generation. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. But if you have any question or feedback, make sure to drop that in the comment section below, and must join our WhatsApp channel because on our WhatsApp channel we provide a lots of premium stuff completely free. That's it from today's video. We'll meet in the next one. Until then, goodbye, peace out.